Transform your next Halloween gathering into an unforgettable experience with a creative, hands-on project. Carving spooky designs into wooden or stone coasters. These theme coasters adorned with jack-o'-lanterns, skeletons, and other eerie motifs not only protect your surfaces, but also become conversation starters and cherished keepsakes for your guests. Begin by selecting your coaster material, wood or stone. Each offers its own unique appeal. Wood brings a warm, rustic feel, while stone lends an elegant, enduring touch. Either way, ensure your coasters are flat and large enough to showcase your designs, typically around 4 inches in diameter. Before you start carving, clean the surface thoroughly to remove any dust or debris, ensuring a smooth canvas for your spooky creations. Next, gather your tools. A Carbide burr is the perfect choice for this project, capable of etching intricate designs into both wood and stone with precision. Safety is paramount. Put on protective goggles and a dust mask, especially when working with stone, as the carving process can create fine debris. Now let your imagination run wild as you sketch your Halloween designs onto the coasters. Classic jack-o'-lantern faces grinning with mischievous intent are always a hit. Skeletons, whether full-bodied or just the iconic skull, evoke the spirit of the season. You might also consider bats, haunted houses, witches' hats, or cobwebs for added variety. Use a pencil or washable marker to outline your design directly onto the coaster, providing a guide for your carving. With your design in place, it's time to carve. Hold the Carbide burr firmly and begin outlining the main shapes, moving slowly and steadily to maintain control. Start with the broadest areas, such as the eyes and mouth of a jack-o'-lantern, before adding smaller details like teeth or wrinkles. For skeletons, define the eye sockets and jawline first. Then add cracks or teeth for a more realistic effect. As you work, periodically wipe away dust so you can clearly see your progress. Once the primary shapes are carved, deepen your lines and add texture. Shadows, ridges, and stippling all contribute to the spooky atmosphere, making your designs pop and giving them a 3-dimensional feel. Don't be afraid to experiment. Sometimes imperfections and rough edges enhance the eerie vibe. After carving, take a moment to admire your handiwork before moving on to finishing touches. For wooden coasters, gently sand the surface to remove splinters and smooth out rough areas. Apply a coat of clear varnish or wood sealant sure to protect the carving and accentuate the natural grain. If you wish, use colored stains or paints to highlight certain features, like glowing eyes or ghostly outlines. Stone coasters may require a quick rinse to remove dust, followed by a sealant to preserve the finish and prevent moisture from seeping into the carved areas. If you want to add a pop of color, consider using acrylic paints in haunting shades, orange, black, green, or purple, to emphasize key elements of your design. When your coasters are dry and ready, arrange them around your party space. Place them under drinks, candles, or even small bowls of treats. The carved surfaces catch the light, casting subtle shadows and adding a mysterious charm to your decor. Guests will delight in the handmade artistry and the festive atmosphere these coasters help create. These Halloween coasters aren't just party props. They're a chance to express your creativity, celebrate the season, and craft a unique piece of functional art. Whether you keep them for yourself or gift them to friends, they'll be a lasting reminder of the fun and imagination that Halloween inspires. So gather your tools, embrace the spirit of the holiday, and carve a little spookiness into every celebration.